National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Murray County in northwestern Georgia, Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, south-central Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Walker County in northwestern Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from near to near Toronto, moving at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Rome, Cartersville, Calhoun, Dallas, Cedartown, Somerville, Buck Canyon, Adelsville, Rockmart, Harlee, Hiram, Tallapoosa, Tryon, Emerson, Aragon, Cave Spring, White, Kingston, Brizaka, and Braswell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Severe